The mountain rejected the seekers, but it did.
Ya, ganti. The city of Graba was sleeping. The moon hung the moon hung above the golden palace, while dozens of lanterns flickered in the narrow streets below. But beneath the city, for below the markets and palace, something ancient had awakened, something that had been sleeping for 1,000 years. Every kingdom has a story about heroes, but every kingdom also has a story that people are afraid to tell. Long ago, before Aladdin was born, a mysterious world exists beneath Agrabah. A world where the sunlight, a world where shadows call move on their own, and tonight that world was opening its doors. Aladdin suddenly opened his eyes. He was breathing heavily. Another nightmare. He looked toward the window. The moonlight covered the room. Then he heard something. Aladdin froze. Knock, knock. Someone was standing outside. Aladdin. Who is it? No answer. Aladdin slowly walked toward the door. He opened it. Nobody was there. Only a black feather lay on the floor. Aladdin picked it up. The feather was strangely caught. The whisper come from came from the hallway. Voice. Aladdin. Aladdin dropped the feather. Aladdin, who are you? The voice disappeared. Suddenly, the palace light went out. The entire city became dark. Princess Jasmine woke up when she heard people shouting outside. Jasmine, what happened? A palace guard rushed in the room. Guard, princess, something strange has happened. Throw out Agrabah. Jasmine, what kind of strange? Guard, the lanterns have gone out, all of them. Jasmine walked toward the balcony. She looked down. Agrabah had always been bright at night, but now the entire city was covered in darkness. Jasmine, that is not normal. A deep rumbling sound suddenly came from beneath the palace. Boom. The floor shook. Jasmine stepped backward. Jasmine, what was that? The guard looked frightened. Guard. It came from underground. Meanwhile, Aladdin ran through the palace corridor searching for Abu. He finally finds the little monkey hiding beneath a table. Aladdin. Abu, come on, something is wrong. Abu point toward the palace floor. Aladdin, you heard it too. Abu nodded. Suddenly, a thin black line appeared across the marble floor. The line began to spread. Cracks appeared. Then a small piece of the floor collapsed. Aladdin looked down. There was a staircase. There was a staircase beneath the place, but the staircase had never appeared on any palace map. Aladdin, What is this place? Abu became nervous. He grabbed Aladdin's clothes and tried to pull him away. Aladdin, don't worry, we're only going to take a look. Abu shook his head violently. Aladdin, Abu, we're definitely going to take a look. Going to take a look. Aladdin lit a small torch. He slowly descended the ancient staircase. The walls were covered with strange symbols, some like birds, others looked like monsters, and the bottom Aladdin discovered a massive stone door. There was an inscription written across. Aladdin whipped away the dust, read the word about. Word aloud. Aladdin, when the cousin thief enters, he stopped. The next word made him uncomfortable. Aladdin, the dark world will wake. Abu suddenly screamed. Aladdin, what? Abu pointed behind him. Aladdin turned around. Nothing. Aladdin, very funny, Abu. Then he heard footstep, step, step. Something was walking toward them. Aladdin raised his torch. A shadow appeared on the wall, but there was no person standing there. Aladdin, who are you? The shadow stopped. Then it spoke. Shadow, the one who's been waiting for you. Aladdin eyes widened. Aladdin, why me? Shadow, because you opened the door. Aladdin looked at the look at the stone door. He then touched it, yet the ancient door was slowly opening. The door opened completely. A powerful wind rushed through the corridor. The torch went out. Aladdin and Abu were pulled toward the darkness. Aladdin, Abu, hold on. Abu grabbed a stone pillar. Aladdin, grab Abu. But the force became stronger. Suddenly, a glowing blue light appeared in the darkness. A mysterious figure stood in front of them. The figure wore a black cloak. Its face was children, mysterious man. Aladdin, Aladdin, you know my name, mysterious man. I know more than your name. Then tell me who you are. The man slowly raised his hand. Mysterious man, I am the last guardian of the dark world. Aladdin looked behind him. A massive underground city appeared beyond the doorway. Buildings made of black stone, floating beakers, dark rivers, and thousands of glowing eyes watching from the distance. Aladdin whispered, "What is this? What is that palace? What is that place?" The mysterious man answered, "Agrabah, forgotten kingdom." Back in the palace, Jasmine realized Aladdin was missing. Jasmine, where is Aladdin? The guards searched. The guards searched every room. Nothing. Then Jasmine noticed something strange. A black feather was laying on the broken floor. She picked it up. Suddenly, the feather began to glow. A voice whispered, "Do not follow him." Jasmine dropped the feather. Jasmine, Aladdin. She looked toward the palace floor. Jasmine, whatever is down there, I'm going after him. Aladdin entered the dark world the moment he touched the ground, the stone door disappeared behind him. Aladdin, that's not good. Abu looked around. The strange, that's not good. Abu looked around. The city was completely silent. Then they heard a growl. Aladdin slowly turned. A giant creature emerged from the darkness. I had four legs, enormous doors, and glowing eyes. Abu screamed, Aladdin, run! Aladdin and Abu sprint through the ancient streets. The creature caused them. Aladdin jumped over a broken wall. The monster destroyed in behind him. Aladdin, why does every adventure I have begun with someone trying to kill me? Abu jumped onto Aladdin's shoulders. They ran faster. Suddenly, Aladdin saw a narrow bridge. He jumped across. The monster followed, but the bridge collapsed. The creature fell into the darkness below. Aladdin breathed heavily. Aladdin, I think we're safe. A voice answered from behind him. Shadow? No, Aladdin. Aladdin slowly turned. The mysterious man was standing there, shadow. Standing there, shadow. You have only survived the first guardian. Aladdin stared at him. Aladdin, first. The man smiled, shadow. There are seven. The screen faders to black. To be continued and of chapter 1. The darkness swallowed Aladdin and Abu. For the first time in his life, Aladdin found himself in a place where there was no sky, no sunlight, and no familiar sound of Agrabah. Only darkness, only silence, only dozens of mysterious eyes watching from the distance. Narrator, beneath the golden streets of Agrabah exists another kingdom, a kingdom that had been erased from story, a kingdom ruled not by kings, but by shadows. Aladdin looked at the mysterious man standing before him. Aladdin, you said there are seven guardians, mysterious man. Yes, Aladdin. And the creature that attacked us was the first, mysterious man. The weakest. Aladdin stared at him. Aladdin, that's supposed to make me feel better. The mysterious man said nothing. Instead, he turned and began walking deeper into the city. Aladdin, wait. The man stopped. Aladdin, who are you? Mysterious man. My name is. My name is. My name is. My name is Kyle. Aladdin. Aladdin, Kyle, why did you bring me here? Kyle, I didn't bring you here. You turn around. Kyle, you were called. Aladdin followed Kyle through the ancient street. The building were enormous. Black towers reached tower in the invisible ceiling. Blue flames burned beside the roads. Abu stayed close to Aladdin. Aladdin, who built who built this place? Kyle, people who lived before the kingdom of Agrabah. Aladdin, why has nobody taught us about it? Kyle, because nobody who discovered it was allowed to return. Aladdin, stop. Aladdin, wait, what? Kyle, continue walking. Aladdin, you could have mentioned that earlier. Suddenly, a small creature jumped from a rooftop. Abu screamed and hid behind Aladdin. Aladdin grabbed a broken sword from the ground. Aladdin, stay back. The creature did attack. Instead, it started at Abu, then it disappeared into the darkness. Aladdin lowered the sword. Aladdin, what was that? Kyle. Shadow child. Aladdin. Shadow child. Kyle. There are the memories of people who disappeared. Her Aladdin looked around. Hundreds of small shadows began appearing on the rooftops. They were watching him. Meanwhile, Princess Jasmine descended the hidden staircase beneath the place. She carried a lantern and a small dagger. A palace guard follow here. Guard, Princess who Princess Bishop return. Jasmine, no. God, this place is dangerous. Jasmine, I know. She looked at the ancient symbols on the wall. Jasmine, but Aladdin's is down there. The guard the guard looked worried. Suddenly they heard a voice. Voice, Princess Jasmine. Jasmine, stop. Jasmine. Who said that? No answer. Then a shadow moved across the wall. The guard raised his sword. Guard, show yourself. The shadow suddenly transformed into a giant crater. The guards attacked. His sword passed through it. The crater disappeared. Jasmine looked. Jasmine looked shocked. Jasmine, it was not real. A voice whispered, not yet. Jasmine looked toward the darkness. A pair, a pair of glowing eyes appeared, then vanished. Kyle broke Aladdin to massive underground hall under of mirrors. Hundreds of mirrors covered the walls, but the mirrors didn't show reflection, they showed memories. Aladdin saw himself as a child. He saw himself stealing bread. He saw Abu, he saw Jasmine. Then another mirror showed something strange. It showed Aladdin standing in front of a massive black throne. Beside him was a woman wearing a crown. Aladdin, who is that? Kyle, Kyle did not answer. Aladdin, Kyle. Kyle looked at the mirror. Kyle, this is the future. Aladdin stepped closer. Aladdin, my future. Kyle, one possible future. The image changed. The woman beside Aladdin disappeared. The place burned. The sky became black, and Aladdin was holding a glowing black object. Aladdin, what is that? Kyle, shadow crown. The shadow crown. Aladdin stepped backward. Aladdin, I don't want it. Kyle, you might not have a cause. Suddenly, every mirror shattered, crashed. A terrible scream echoed, echoed through the hall. A hook critter emerged from the broken mirrors. Its body was made of black smoke. Its face changed constantly. Sometimes it looked like an old man. Sometimes a child. Sometimes Aladdin himself. KL. Don't look into its eyes, Aladdin. Why? KL. It will show you your greatest fear. The creature screamed. Aladdin covered his ears. The monster attacked. The monster attacked. Kyle raised his hand. A blue magician shield appeared. The creature struck the shield. Boom! Kyle was thrown backward. Aladdin, Kyle, run! Aladdin, no! Kyle, Kyle shot. Kyle, you cannot defeat it with strength. Aladdin looked around the creature. The creature approached its face transformed into Jasmine creature. Aladdin froze. Creature, you like you failed to save me. Aladdin, no creature, you will be lost. You will be lost. You will lose everyone you love. Aladdin closed his eyes. You're not Jasmine. The creator screamed. Aladdin. Jasmine will never tell me to give up. The secret attack. The creator attack. Aladdin grabbed a mirror fragment from the jar. The fragment relaxed the creature. For the first for the first time, the monster became invisible. Aladdin. Kyle. No. Kyle raised his hand. A blue beam struck the creature. The monster exploded. The monster exploded into thousands of black particles. Silence returned. Kyle walked toward Aladdin. Kyle, you understand now? Aladdin, understand what? Kyle, why the dark world called you Aladdin? Aladdin, I still don't understand anything. Kyle looked serious. Kyle looked serious. Kyle, your bloodline is connected to this place. Aladdin looked nervously. Aladdin, that doesn't make sense. Kyle, your ancestors were guardians of the dark world. Aladdin becomes silent. Aladdin, my family. Aladdin, my family. Kyle, yes. Aladdin, my parents never taught me anything. My parents never taught me anything, Kyle, because they want you to live a normal life. Aladdin, why I hate it? Kyle looked toward the darkness. Kyle, because the last guardian who carried your blood. Because the last guardian who carried your blood, he paused. Kyle, become the ruler of the shadows. Aladdin stared at him. Aladdin, who was he? Kyle answered quietly. Kyle, your grandfather. Jasmine finally reached the massive stone door. The notice a strange symbol. It looked exactly like the symbol on Aladdin's necklace. Jasmine, this cannot be a coincidence. She touched the com. She touched the symbol. The door began glowing. Suddenly, a voice came from behind her. Voice, princess. Jasmine turned a tall woman that in the darkness she wore a black cloak. Her eyes glow blue. Jasmine, who are you, woman? Someone who know where Aladdin is. Jasmine, then take me to him. Woman, gladly, she raised her hand. The door, the door vanished. Far inside the dark world, Aladdin suddenly felt something. He looked toward the distant black castle. Aladdin, what is that? Kyle? Kyle's expression changed. Kyle, the Shadow King place? The Shadow King's palace? Aladdin, it is he still alive? Kyle remained silent. Kyle, no. Aladdin, relax. Then Kyle continue. Kyle, but he does not need to be alive. The black castle began glowing. A deep voice echoed throughout the underground kingdom. Shadow King, Aladdin. Aladdin looked terrified. Shadow King. My blood has returned. The entire city shook. The shadow creature hove toward the castle. KL looked at Aladdin. KL. We have to live. We have to leave. Aladdin. Why? KL. KL. Because the Shadow King was awakened, Aladdin looked toward the darkness, then they heard another voice. A familiar voice, Jasmine, Aladdin, Aladdin's eyes widened. Aladdin, Jasmine, Jasmine. He ran toward the sound. Kyle shot behind him. KL, Aladdin, don't. But Aladdin continued running. The darkness closed around him. Then a figure appeared. It looked exactly like Jasmine. She smiled. Jasmine, you come for me. Aladdin stop. Aladdin, Jasmine. The woman smiled again. But her eyes suddenly turned completely black. Jasmine, now. Her voice became deeper. Jasmine, you belong to the dark world. Aladdin had entered the world of shadows, but he didn't yet know the greatest danger was not waiting in the darkness. It was wearing the face of someone he loved. The underground city trembled. The underground city trembled. Black clouds moved across the invisible sky while dozens of blue flames flickered between the ancient lovers. Aladdin stopped frozen. Aladdin stood frozen. In front of him was Jasmine, or at least someone who looked exactly like her. Aladdin, Jasmine, she smiled. Jasmine, Jasmine. Yes, Aladdin, it's me. Aladdin slowly walked toward her. Aladdin, how did you get here? Jasmine did not answer. Instead, she reached toward him. Jasmine, come with me. Aladdin took one step forward. Then he remembered Kyle's warning. Kyle, do not trust what you see in the dark world. Aladdin stopped. Aladdin, tell me something only the real Jasmine would know. Aladdin, the first time we met, what did I say to you? The woman became silent. Aladdin, you don't know, her face suddenly changed. Her skin became pale. Her eyes turned completely black. She screamed. The illusion shattered. Aladdin jumped backward. The creature transformed into a giant shadow monster. Aladdin. The monster attacked. Aladdin ran through the ascending string. The monster attacked. Aladdin ran through the ancient street. KL. Keep moving. Aladdin jumped over a stone wall. The monster smashed struck it. Aladdin. How do we stop this thing? Kael. We don't know. Aladdin. That's your pain. Survival first. Abu jumped onto Aladdin's shoulder. The monster released a wave of dark energy. Aladdin saw Aladdin saw a narrow alley. Aladdin, there. They ran inside. They ran inside. Kyle raised his hand. A magical barrier apart the entrance. The monster crashed into it. Boom! The barrier cracked. Kyle, we don't have much time. Aladdin. Then tell me how to defeat it. Kyle. You need the light of the first guardian. Aladdin. Where is it? Kyle. In the Temple of Dawn. Aladdin stared at him. Aladdin. Of course isn't a temple. And the temple is guarded by behind the behind the third guardian. Aladdin. Of course it is. After after escaping the monster, Aladdin and Kyle reached a giant golden gate. It looked completely different from the rest of the dark world. Instead of black stone, the temple was covered in white marble. Golden symbols cover the walls. Aladdin, this place doesn't belong here, Kyle. It was built to fight the darkness. Aladdin touched the door. It opened by itself. Inside was a hard chamber. At the center stood a golden statue of a woman holding a glowing crystal. Aladdin walked toward it. Aladdin. Is that the light of the first guardian? Kyle? Aladdin reached for the crystal. Aladdin reached for the crystal. Suddenly, boom! The temple door slammed shut. A deep growl echoed through the chamber. The golden statue began to move, its eyes open. KL. Aladdin, step away. The statue transformed stone rack from its body. A massive armor warrior emerged. It carried a giant golden sword. KL. The third guardian, the warrior, rise it. KL. The third guardian, the warrior, rise its swords. Aladdin, why does every guardian have to be hacked? Abu hid behind a pillar. The guardian attacked. Aladdin rolled across the floor. The sword struck the ground. Crack! A hack hole appeared. Aladdin grabbed a fallen piece of stone. He threw it. It bounced harmlessly off the guardian armor. Aladdin, that didn't work. KL, because you're fighting the wrong way. Aladdin. Aladdin, dead now. KL, the guardian is not protecting the crystal. Aladdin look at the statue. KL, it's protecting the person who is worthy of carrying it. The guardian attack again. Aladdin dog get a look carefully at the warrior. There was a symbol on its There was a symbol on its chest. It was the same symbol from his necklace. Aladdin, why does it have my symbol? KL, because the guardian recognizes your blood. Aladdin lowered his weapon. What are you doing, Aladdin? Thirsting? KL, what are you doing, Aladdin? Trusting it. The guardian stopped. The guardian stopped. The guardian stopped. Its words was inches from Aladdin's face. The hammer became silent. The warrior slowly lowered its sword. Then it knelt. Kael shock. Kael, it's accept you. It accepted you. The guardian opened its hand. The golden crystal flowed toward Aladdin. Aladdin caught it. The entire temple filled with light. Aladdin looked at the crystal. Aladdin, what am I supposed to do with this? Kael, you know when the time comes. Aladdin, everyone keeps saying that. Suddenly, the crystal saw a vision. Aladdin saw Agrabah. The city was burning. The critters filled the street. The palace gates were destroyed. Jasmine stood alone on the palace balcony. Behind her was the Shadow King. Aladdin watched helplessly. Aladdin, no! The vision chang. Jasmine was holding a black crown. She placed it on her head. The entire city fell into darkness. Aladdin, Aladdin dropped the crystal. Aladdin, that's going to happen, Kael. Not Nakesuli. Kael, only if you could discover what the Shadow King wants from you, Aladdin. What does he want? Kael, look at the crystal. Kael, you're hurt? Meanwhile, the real Jasmine opened her eyes. She was inside a dark chamber. Her hand were and her hands were bound by glowing chains. Jasmine, where am I? A voice answered. Voice. Where every eventually ends up. Jasmine looked around. Jasmine, show yourself. A tech shadow emerged. It was the Shadow King. He wore ancient armor and a black crown. His face was hidden beneath a dark hood. Shadow King, you are important to him, Jasmine. To Aladdin, Shadow King. Yes, Jasmine. What do you want with him? The Shadow King approached Shadow King. I do not want his life. He smiled. Shadow King, I want his choice. Jasmine looked confused. Jasmine, what does that mean? Shadow King, Soon Aladdin will have to cost. Jasmine. Cost what? Shadow King? His kingdom? He paused. Shadow Kings? Shadow King or you? Jasmine shook her head. Jasmine. He will never cause darkness, the Shadow King allowed. Shadow King. Every person has darkness inside them. Lin Dasher, Shadow King, even Aladdin. Back at the Temple of Dawn, Aladdin discovered an ancient painting. It showed a young man standing beside the first guardian. Aladdin stared at the painting. Aladdin, I know him, Kael, who alone? My father, Kael. Kael, yes, Aladdin. What happened to him? Kael, look away. Look away, Aladdin. Tell me, Kael. Your father entered the dark world many years ago. Aladdin. Why? Kael. To destroy the Shadow King. Aladdin. Did he suck? Did he suck? Kael shook his head. Kael, no. Aladdin then his first. Aladdin, then where is he? Kael finally answered. Kael. He never come back. Aladdin's expression changed. Aladdin. Suddenly the golden crystal began glowing. A voice come from inside it. Voice, Aladdin. Aladdin froze. He recognized the voice, Aladdin father. The crystal project a glowing image. A man appeared. He looked older than older. He looked older than Aladdin remember. It was his father. Father, if you are saying this message, the dark world has awakened. Aladdin called and speak. Father, listen carefully. Do not trust Kael. Kael's eyes widen. Aladdin, what? Father, he will tell you that he wants to protect you. The image began fading. Father, but he has his own secret. Aladdin turned toward Kael. Aladdin, what secret? What secret? Kael remained silent. Father, the Shadow King cannot return without a guardian. The crystal. And Kael was the last was the was the last person who served him. The message disappeared. Aladdin slowly stepped away from Kael. Aladdin, you serve the Shadow King. Kael, it was not what you think, Aladdin. Then tell me the truth. Kael, look toward the temple entrance. Dark shadows appeared beneath the door. Kael, we don't have time. Aladdin, why? Kyle looked terrified. Kyle, because he know we're here. The temple doors exploded because he know we are here. The temple doors exploded inward. A powerful wave of darkness filled the room, and from the darkness came the Shadow King's voice. Shadow King, Aladdin, Aladdin opposed Shadow King. It's time to meet you, father. Aladdin's eyes widened. Hmm?